here at the Miami Dolphins training facility. Oh, damn.
How you doing? It's a pleasure to meet you. Pleasure all mine. Nice to meet you. Tell you about
Dave over here. What's up, Will? How you doing, sir? Good to meet you.
All good. Pleasure, man.
Well,
Thanks for having us.
We were just chatting.
Oh, you were just chatting.
Yeah, so we did, the nice little ceremonial Kava deal.
Yeah, Kava. It does some stuff to you.
he's trying to come up with the weeds like,
It's ceremonial, you have to take a cup. It's impolite if you don't.
This is kind of like something big for us as Polynesians, and so it's almost like a gift. And so you should say, like, cultural gift.
Manuia.
So cool.
It does do a little something to you. I thought it went down easy, and I was like, oh, let's go, man. It definitely starts to do something.